Oh damn. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. I think I'm good. Good morning. Trying to get situated because we're going fishing today. Yeah. Today's Friday. Yeah. I'm a little late. I got up early this morning. I started working on the video from last night, and I didn't get to pack anything. So I got up this morning, worked a little bit again on the video, trying to edit, and then now I'm just got out of the shower and I'm trying to get things packed. Our clothes is already packed. We're good to go with that. I checked the pool. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Got me a new hat. Check this out. What do you guys think? Woo! Yeah, buddy. You guys don't know. I like hats. I gotta pack, man. David's already on his way. Whoever's going, everybody's on the way already. I'm the one running late. I gotta pack my stuff. This time, I didn't forget my pajamas.
Muy bien armado.
What'd you come out with?
We put the meat, we put some tortillas, jitomate, limones, cilantro, salsa, queso, ¿qué es eso? Potato. Oh, potato salad. Alguna fruta, like small mandarins maybe, just to have some small fruit. Fajita beef chicken. Do you think he has salt and pepper over there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, he's got salt.
He's got salt.
Okay, and I don't know if y'all want to do some corn on the grill, or how are y'all going to cook? Or is everything in the disco?
Oh, we got barbecue pit over there too.
I don't know, we're thinking maybe some corn on the grill.
I got some chicken fajitas right here, so we don't need to get this.
Okay, so we just cross that out.
How much you have?
2 packs.
Oh, okay.
Lemon
We
chicken
can
and
cross
regular
anything
chicken.
out, that's all.
We just get like a pack of chicken and drumsticks or something.
Okay.
I got the bag in here.
Okay. What you got in the bag? You got the good shit? Whew, okay. It's too hot out here. I'm currently on guard duty from all this. So usually we stop here at Bay City and we pick up our little knickknacks and whatnot. They're going there to go buy things like to cook for tonight for 2 days. I think we're gonna make some fajitas. We're gonna make maybe hamburgers, things like that. So we usually stop to get groceries and stuff. But it's too hot out here. Let me get inside the truck. Hey man, you know what? I just thought of something. It's freaking hot out here, man. It's no bullshit. I was sitting here and I was standing out there just right now, and it's freaking hot. So I came in the truck to sit down. I turned on the AC, and of course the AC, I just had it on a regular AC. And even like that, it was still kind of hot in here. So what I ended up doing is I put the AC on max AC, and now it's really cooling down in here. You guys be safe out there, man. If you have pets, I know I just want to do my part, man. I just want to, you know, give everybody a reminder that if you're out there, you know, sometimes people forget. You have pets, and you think you're just gonna go into the store 5 or 10 minutes. It doesn't take long for this to get hot. They got hot quick. So with that being said, it's a quick little reminder, man. If you guys, a person, it can get hot, they can try and turn it on. The baby, I understand the baby can't do much, but even a pet, which we have our pet with us, you know, we can't leave it in the car either because it gets hot just like that. So you guys be safe out there. And I just want to throw a little tip out there to remind everybody, you know what, it's hot out here. Don't leave your pets in your car, babies, elderly, whatever. Just leave them a key. Leave them a key so they can turn on the AC and we can all be safe. Quick little tip, man. That's all.
No ha tenido mucho para llegar con usted.
Making sure she drinks water.
Where's she at? Oh.
Look.
That's the place I can see my daughter.
Oh my God.
Hey, there's my little girl. There's my little girl. You okay, mama? The babysitter didn't take care of you? Okay, good girl. And you need help, Cochina's right there. That's too much. Since Church's was closed, we are at Church's, what am I saying? We're at Chicken Express, and David is waiting for the chicken because he likes it nice and hot, nice and fresh. Chicken Express, I hope you're gonna get David's approval. Fishing. Catch you later. It's a nice little setup. Here's some of the fish that they've caught. Camp de Luna. Danny right there. Okay, let me drive it. Right here. Yeah, it's hot, man. It's hot.
Tie it up down at the very end. You need to adjust it.
All right, let's go cook these.
We'll bring it to you. All right. Take a picture so I can send it back to them. Thank you. Crab.
Yeah.
Crab, yeah.
Yeah, man, over there.
How was it?
Over there?
It was so much fun. It's really shallow. Oh, and I saw a for sale house too.
Cocina.
Espérame que traigo las nalgas todas mojadas. You could already see like the little
And then when you get to the
birds
lake over there,
sitting on the island.
Where you take them to?
All the way they ain't over there, but it got real shallow over there, man. I was picking up gravel and shit, and then over there it was picking up mud. That was by the lake.
Low.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, look how low it is here. Okay, so Danny caught the first fish. He caught a red. How big is it? 20? Yeah. 20 and a half inches.
So it's legal. You get that? Huh? What'd you get? You got a red. Go ahead.
So we brought some chicken legs.
Gotta get it rolling, man.
No, there's nothing on there. Caught the crab on there, threw it in there, and he got a red.
Yep.
That's how you do it. It's okay. I'm not doing any fishing right now because I was cooking the tripas, but it's okay. It's okay. My tripas came out good, I tell you that much.
Yo creo que sí.
I don't know, I didn't see. Mm-mm.
Voy a ir al baño rapidito.
Yum, yum, yum. Mm.
Quedaron bien ricas las tripas.
They're good.
Ya, bien crispy. Okidoki, Cris, ¿a dónde echamos esto? Digo, ¿aquí mismo lo dejamos o como? En un vaso. En un vaso. No. Ese es el de la cebolla.
Is it just like the potato chips? You can't just eat one.
Gracias. Y voy a usar esto para que bajemos estas cosas. ¿Llegó la sal? Sí, yo creo que sí. Sí, yo creo que sí. No está subiendo. You didn't put that fish in the fridge or anything right now? Or
Yeah, I'm gonna get baggy. And,
These are tripas that Henry made with my disco.
Mamon.
So we're gonna try it out, see what it looks like. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, it's good.
This isn't taste of vision.
Yeah, it's good, man. Real good. You did a good job, man.
Good?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you have cebolla, cilantro, guacamole.
Is this chile or
No,
guacamole?
Guacamole.
Oh yeah, they're good. Oh, they are good, man. I have to give it to you, man. They're good.
Is that good for you?
Pinche burro.
Huh?
Good.